In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Google Fiber, no internet, no Wi-Fi, or slow speeds. First, you want to restart your device. Turn off your phone, TV, or computer or unplug it from power, then wait for at least 60 seconds. After that, you want to turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches and often fixes connection issues. Next, you want to restart your router or modem. Unplug your router from power, then wait for 60 seconds. After that, plug it back in. Now wait for it to connect. Use the reset button. Find the small reset button on your router, press and hold it. This restores connection settings. Next, you want to improve your router placement. Move your router to a more open area, avoid walls, metal objects, or corners, and keep it elevated if it is possible. If nothing else works, then you want to contact your internet provider. For that, you can call Google Fiber support. They can run remote diagnostics. They may replace your modem or router if that is needed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.